Dumelang Lindlord, this is your girl Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My Lindlords, we are back Ngotando Nestembu. And I want us to talk about the award ceremony. Right. In the award ceremony, Mthombeni, excuse me, uyangena nobani, ungena noMacele. Why? Because his reason is uMacele is the only person othe whether ngiyagula, whether I'm on a deathbed, whether whatever circumstances might be happening around my life on that day, you take priority. Whatever, come rain, come whatever, I will be there for you. So that's why he chose to take uMacele and walk with uMacele and enter the doors zomcimbi noMacele rather than with any other wife, because uMacele is the one that stood in the gap and said, my dear husband, whether it rains, whether it does not, I will be there. And then the other wives came. Umangwabe came late as per the norm, but her reasons were the kids. She had to make sure ukuthi the kids are okay, the kids are settled, the kids are fine, which made sense, right? And then there came a time where Samseleku was called to accept his award. On that moment, he did something that raised my eyebrows, right? He asked uMakhumalo ukuthi, are we not going? Then uMakhumalo acted like she's not hearing Umusa. At this point, I feel sorry for Mthombeni. I don't know how to make it better, but I wish ukuthi bangandlula njena noMakhumalo kule simo, because they were like the thickest thieves, They were best friends, like their relationship was relationshiping, and I don't know. I just don't know what we can do to restore it and take it back to where it was. But with that said, she did not go. Ugirl said, waqhubeka ayi-1 Mthombeni waya phambili, which hurt him, right? But ke u-Ashley King did what? U-Ashley King stood up when Mthombeni was presenting his speech, and he appreciated that ukuthi at least u-Ashley King usukumile. Now he was angry that people did not come phambili, but at the same time I think the anger was addressed to uMakhumalo, because he was expecting ukuthi uMakhumalo uzoza, of which uMakhumalo did not do as per the expectation. And then kungene some guy wasemzumbe owinile naye, and then they were happy for that guy, and it's apparently because that guy grew up ikasilabo, playing with their siblings, and that's why they were so excited for him. Sharp. Mthombeni was definitely not happy about this thing. They stood up after the nominations, after the award ceremonies were done, after the eating, I presume, they started dancing. U-Ashley King could not even dance. U-Ashley King was just sitting down, pissed and angry, right? To say, yes, like, kwenzakalani. All right, sharp. Mthombeni called them to a meeting. In that meeting, guys, the meeting was called phakathi kwe-event. Phakathi, inside the event, the meeting was called. In that meeting, where Mthombeni was supposed to thank his wives, he then wanted to address the issue yokuthi they did not come phambili. He addressed the issue yokuthi somebody else came up, you clapped and shouted for that somebody else more than you did me. uMakhumalo then tried to answer it diplomatically and said, no, it's because we cannot clap hard for ourselves. I mean, we are the ones winning. People are going to be happy for us, and people are going to be clapping for us. So we're giving other people the time to shine and clap for us, whatever. Like, that reasoning didn't make sense, but uMakhumalo gave that reasoning in any case. Musa didn't have it. Mthombeni was not pleased, and he was like, you just guys don't support me. You only support me when you want to support me. And uMakhumalo then made a comment about inhloko yesitimela, which hurt uMacele, and uMusa stepped in for uMacele. If you remember correctly, Mthombeni said, if you do the right thing, if you do right by me, if you submit right, if I feel like mina nawe siyazwana konke kuhle, I will protect you as my wife, I'll stand for you. But in an event where we are in conflict, I will not do anything. I will let life deal with you, because I only support my wife when me and my wives are cordial, which I find like, considering that he is the husband, it's just no, it's not making sense. Ne? Fine, sharp. He then wanted to address uMakhumalo and correct uMakhumalo. Then uMakhumalo said, that is a joke amongst us. If the person that started this whole joke said it maliciously, I would then understand why it is now deemed as a malicious statement. However, if that person who started this whole thing did not say it as a malicious intent, why then should it be a big deal? Which was a good question because it then confronted Macele's motives, and which were not good motives. But uMacele was like bekacasukile, like she had it. And uMusa said, the more uMakhumalo acasula uMacele, it will force uMacele to talk. And when uMacele talks, I will be quiet. I'm like, uMacele embarrassed herself by talking. Literally, uMacele embarrassed herself by that child bomb drop, because if the child was alive and being raised by somebody else, that's when we would be judging uMakhumalo. But you are speaking about a child that is no more. Yo, I was like, Mthombeni, really? Like, Ruri now? Like, really? But knowing Musa will always be Musa, he did not see anything wrong with that statement, and he was pretty happy with the statement that he uttered. Now, after the whole thing, the conversation, the table and the tea, and the what, uMakhumalo was then asked ukuthi, ngicela ukukhuluma nawe. Now, this part also made me livid. Mthombeni said, now that we are no longer fighting as hard as we were fighting, I think it would now then be proper for me to come to your house. Hey. So if their fight was tedious for 6 months, 10 years, he would not lay his foot at his wife's house because of the conflict. He asked that question. You could see ukuthi uMakhumalo was like, akayivumi lento. She's not in line with it. But Ugirl agreed. Ugirl agreed and said, you can come. Then Mthombeni said Umcimbi was a good Umcimbi because they won an award, and I was like, how? Good Umcimbi kanjani, because you said you were disappointed on the wives and how they did not come through for you. Then what makes it good? So I'm assuming that winning the award is what makes it good. But tell me now, logically, do you think ukuthi Mthombeni is leading this temple in the right direction when it comes to saying, when I'm in conflict with you as my wife, I will let each and every other wife have their way with you, and then when I'm at peace, then it's when I can protect you? Isn't that dividing the wives and creating the division that he's always saying he's against? I don't think he wants peace. I don't know, you guys. Let me know what you think. This is your girl, Disable D. I love you. Peace. Bye.